Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing good. Today with me I got a 2015 Freightliner Cascadia, and don't worry about this, I'm doing something else with that, but I'm also gonna change this injector line seal. Got a couple new ones here. This one's good. This one's leaking. That one is leaking as well, and that one. So number 6 is good. 5, 3. So 5, 3, and 2. I'm gonna replace those. You don't need to remove all this stuff because I removed all this because I'm changing the lines that goes to the compressor. But this is what I'm gonna show you how to replace this. Couple things that we're gonna need. We're gonna need a couple special tools. This one, you can get this at a Napa or O'Reilly's, wherever. This one here is a special socket made by Snap-on. I don't know if it has a part number. I think it does right there. I don't know if you can see. Okay, so this socket, it just goes right there. I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of dark right there. And then this gap right here, it will allow you to twist probably like 45 degrees twist without hitting the pipe. And this one here, I like to use it like this. You can put a ratchet on it, and you don't have to use, you don't have to use a wrench, because wrench will probably slip and hurt yourself and damage the parts. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna loosen this up and then remove the 10mm bolts. All right, so I got it loose already. This one's loose, that one's loose, and it's gonna come out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do every single one, or all 3 of them, but I'm gonna do one at a time, because that one have to go in the same spot. Next, we're gonna loosen up those 10mm bolts, and then we're gonna clean up that area. All right, so the other one, this is the other one. You can see right there is about that area right there, so that's the reason why it's leaking. New one, perfect condition. So we're gonna insert it here first, and then we're gonna line this inside there. Let me get a light, and I don't know if you can see. So you're gonna have to do it by hand. You're gonna have to tighten it as much as you can by hand, because you don't want to mess up the injector, because that's the injector. Line it up here to this one and tighten up by hand in the injector. All right, so it's already in there, and what I did is I pulled the seal all the way. I inserted first. As you can see, the seal's here. It's not lined up, it's not bolted in there. So this is the best, not the best, but this is one of the ways you can do it, because you don't want to damage the thread. So I already inserted that in here as well. It's already lined up. What I'm gonna do next, I'm just gonna gently, without damage the seal, I'm gonna push it in like that, and then gently push it on both sides, and then pull the bolts, and then tighten up this first, then let it sit wherever it's gonna sit, then tighten up the two bolts. Alright guys, I already finished. I installed all 3 of them. That one's new, the one in the corner is new. So yeah, hopefully it was enough information to help you guys to how to change it. Wish I can record the whole thing, but as you can see, it's hard to do it with one hand while you putting everything back together. Hopefully you get the idea though, and thanks for watching, and subscribe.